Vendors are more than just places to buy gear. They're long-term partners in your IT strategy if you treat them right. Vendor management isn't about buying cheaper. You need to be buying smarter. First, consolidate and prioritize. Working with 2 to 3 trusted vendors is almost always better than sourcing from 10 different ones. Why? Well, you'll get a better pricing from volume, simpler support, and easier renewals and contract tracking. You should be prioritizing vendors who offer flexible support terms, have good return and replacement policies, and are responsive when things go wrong. Secondly, track performance. Every vendor promises the world, so hold them accountable. Create simple scorecards to track on-time delivery rates, accuracy of orders, response times for support or RMAs, and price stability. You don't need a full vendor governance program. Just keep basic data so you know who's earning your trust and business. Third, negotiate everything. You'd be surprised what's negotiable. Volume discounts, extended warranties, installation and configuration services, free shipping, early renewal deals on software licenses. Especially for software as a service or subscription tools, always negotiate before auto renewals hit. Fourth, don't forget risk. What happens if your vendor goes out of business or starts delivering poor quality gear? It happens. Have backup options and regularly review your dependencies. If one vendor holds the keys to a critical part of your environment, you need a plan B. Planning and procurement may sound like the money spending part, but the main thing is that the money you do spend, you spend it well. The right strategy upfront saves time, reduces headaches, and stretches your budget further. Where do we go from here? We explore what happens after the purchase, how to nail the deployment and configuration phase of the IT asset lifecycle.